Hi everyone, this is a video on the verb ser and what the verb ser means and how you use it. Ser means to be. Let's look at what to be is in English. To be in English is going to conjugate into I am, you are, he is, we are, you all are, and they are. Notice that in English there's only one way to say are, right? We use this word for both you, we, you all, and they. But in Spanish, this is going to be different. In Spanish, there will be a different spelling for this box, this box, this box, and all three of these boxes. In Spanish, this is what the verb ser translates into. Yo soy, which is I am. Tú eres, which is you are. Él es, so is, he is, she is. Notice the usted es. Now remember that usted still means you. It's the formal you, so remember we use usted when you are trying to show respect to someone. But the verb are is still going to be es for usted. We are, you all are, and remember this vosotros is used in Spain. They are, and then you all are. But notice the different ways that there are to say are in Spanish as opposed to in English. In English, we just have are, but in Spanish, you have somos, that means are, sois means are, son means are, eres means are. So the question is, how do you know which are to use? And you would know which are to use because you have to look at the subject. Who are you talking about? And the subject is going to tell you which are to use. Yo is obvious, and then is also obvious. Here's some example sentences. Yo soy mexicana. I am Mexican. Ana es mi amiga. Ana is my friend. Eres un estudiante. Are you a student? Now notice here, I don't have the word to, the word for you in this sentence, but the fact that eres can only be are you means that in Spanish I don't literally have to have the word you in my sentence for me to understand who I'm talking about. Mi madre y yo somos de Panama. So my mom and I are from Panama. How do I know that I'm using somos? I know that because my mom and I would equal to we. Remember the activity that we did in class a couple of days ago where you had to choose which pronoun you would substitute each of the proper nouns for. Okay, let's keep going. Juan y Paula son jugadores de béisbol. So Juan and Paula are. Okay, and then this is the are that I'm using because I would substitute Juan and Paula for they. Usted es. This still translates into you are. You are a good teacher. And then lastly, me gusta ser buena estudiante. Remember, ser means to be. So I can still use ser in sentences. I like to be a good student. Now it's time for you to practice. Take a second, pause this video, and either on a sheet of paper or in your mind, think about what forms of ser you would actually put in these sentences. And then when you're ready, continue to play the video and I'll show the answers. Okay, so here's the answer for number one. Tú eres. That's what you should have. You are my friend. My mom is colombiana. The students, so that would be they, I would substitute the students for they, are muy trabajadores, so son. And again, notice that even though number one is are and number three is are, in English, I have to use two totally different R's because up here I'm talking about you are, and in number three, I'm talking about they are. 4, yo soy, I am. 5, Carlos y yo, so that's we. Carlos and I, we, so somos. Ustedes son, you all are my students, and the class is very difficult. And now on to the handout. If you need some extra help because your handout is going to look just like this, then simply go back to the original chart where you can see the conjugations of ser. So that would be this chart right here. And look at the subjects of your sentence and then compare. Is your subject singular? Is it plural? Okay. And then if your subject is singular, is your subject I or you? And if it's not, then those are obvious. Then your choice is going to be S. Okay. Good luck.